How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We are talking about a very interesting company today that is a penny stock, and it is a payment systems app similar to PayPal or Venmo that also offers other types of services, and it is working in the emerging markets. It is going public through a SPAC too, and the SPAC has gone from 0.0005 cents up to 30 cents, so about a 60,000% increase. So it is a very interesting stock. I will talk you through it and talk about whether I'm buying it, whether I think it's very risky or whether I think it's safe and all that, what kind of potential I could see. And then also, I do want to hit on the fact that we did actually talk about a very interesting stock earlier today called MP Materials. I did a video on it earlier. I'll link it on the end screen. But so far today, it's up about 17%. I told my Patreon members about it last night, but I had to release a video this morning on it. So definitely be on the lookout for this company and definitely watch that video from earlier today. If you guys want to know exactly when I'm buying and selling stocks and which ones I'm looking into, you can check out the link down below to Patreon. Again, there I kind of tell people a little bit ahead of time what I'm buying and selling, and I can do it more in real time. So definitely check that link out. Also, if you want 4 free stocks through Webull, definitely check out the link down below. You can just deposit $100, get 4 free stocks. 2 of them are worth up to $1,600, and you can buy and sell pre-market. So I did that with MP Materials. Then when it opened, it jumped up a lot. So it's really nice to have, especially when the markets are this volatile. So definitely check that out. Also, if you don't mind hitting the like button and the subscribe button, I appreciate that too. So the company that we're looking at today is TSNP. They are merging with a company called Humble. So this is a really interesting company. I'll give you the background in a minute, but I'll let you watch their video first.
Money. We all use it. So why can it be so hard to move and exchange between us? For over 7 billion people around the world, money is still slow and expensive. Money can take days to send and exchange and settle, losing valuable fees and time in the process. And as national governments move from physical bills to digital forms of money, new financial tools will be needed to include everyone, no matter who they are or where they live. Welcome to Humble, the world's digital money platform. Humble is a digital wallet that will allow you to send, receive, borrow, invest, and exchange money right from your smartphone. Humble is building the partner network capacity to serve high-quality digital banking, financial services, and payment products into underserved corridors and countries around the world. And if you need money services in person, Humble Hubs is developing a network of agents around the world to help you on your way. Borderless, contactless, connected. Humble, the new global money network.
So I'll be honest, I think this is a very risky play for several reasons. First of all, it's already up so much. It's a penny stock that you can only get on the OTC market. So over-the-counter market, you have to buy it through certain apps. You can't buy it on, let's say, M1 Finance or Webull. A lot of the time, like I had to buy it on Fidelity. This is a company, again, that's been up so much. They're pre-revenue, so they haven't actually been able to make a lot of money or any money at this point. They do have an investor call coming up, but I think this does offer a lot of potential upside. So what I'm doing is I'm buying a small amount overall that I think is enough that if it pops off, if it goes up to $50 or $100 a share, if it's the next PayPal or the next Venmo, I'll be able to make a lot of money on it, but not too much that I really care if I lose it. Of course, every dollar matters, but I have some money that I put into high-risk stocks like this. Now, they don't exactly say what their advantage is here, but they do have some buzzwords. You can hear it here at the end.
Borderless, contactless, connected. Humble, the new global money network.
So you can kind of hear them throw some different buzzwords in there, but they do have some hype recently, and they've gotten a pretty good team here. They have advisors with experience from Western Union, MoneyGram, American Express, Visa, Facebook, Microsoft, Epson, and Qualcomm. And they've gotten some really good media recently. So they've offered this successful pilot between the United States and Mexico. They're partners with Cyberbeat to expand into Asia Pacific and Pan-India vertical markets. They also have been named to Forbes 2020 Rising Startup to Watch. Now, they got named to this 6 months ago, and now they're essentially this company that they're merging with is worth a market cap of over $1 billion. But in an age where there's so much hype around a lot of different stocks, I think it would only make sense that this stock would blow up pretty quickly. You can see here that Humble's global money platform will deliver up to 50% estimated savings on transactions such as sending, receiving, lending, borrowing, investing money, and paying bills. Now, I don't know exactly what they're doing to do this. I haven't heard them really make any explanations for why they're better than Venmo or PayPal. They just say that these different markets are underserved, but how a startup like this can offer a better solution than Venmo or PayPal, I'm not exactly sure. And again, they say that they're going to deliver up to 50% savings on sending, receiving, lending, borrowing, investing money, and paying bills. They're not explaining how they're doing that. How can they save someone 50% on investing or borrowing, especially when a lot of these other companies have the money to have loss leaders? They will gladly lose money in the short term to gain users long term. So that is the main risk I see with this company. They're trying to go against $100 billion, $300 billion companies, and what they're doing is pretty difficult, but I do think that this is a high risk, high reward play. Again, I'm going to put some money in it, but not enough that it will really upset me if it goes down to zero. I think, again, it's one of those high risk, high reward plays where you throw in a little bit of money and then you let it ride. You look back in a couple of years, see how it's doing, but I'm not a financial advisor. Do all your own research. Don't listen to just me on this. Definitely do some more research. Some other people put out some good videos if you want some more background on it, or, just try to scour the internet for as much information as you can. Now, with this, I do want to give a shout out to 5 Hour Energy. 5 Hour Energy is a partner of the channel, and I really appreciate them because it is the holidays. It is a time when most people are really tired. So they do offer 20% off. If you're interested, there's a link down in the description. If you use that link, you get 20% off. It can be delivered right to your door. They have a lot of different flavors. They do have a big announcement this month, but they haven't told me what it is. It sounds like some type of new product. So be on the lookout for that. I'm not sure exactly what it is yet. They have not revealed it. And, again, with the holidays coming up, with the pandemic, it's nice to have something that will give you some energy. It's at a discount. It can be delivered right to your door. They have variety packs. There is a link down below if you want to get that. And again, I did say too that there was that video that I did on MP Materials earlier today, up 15% or 16% now. It's a really interesting company in the EV space, but it's actually in rare earth materials mining. It controls 75% of the market that is outside of China. So China owns 80% of the rare earth material market. MP Materials controls another 15% of the total world market. So they are a very significant, really important player. And they're pretty much backed by the US government because we can't be completely reliant on China for this. This is something that is really important for pretty much all technology that we have, especially with emerging EV sales going up and with the potential that EV has for us. There's going to be a lot of batteries that are made, and we need rare earth materials to do that. And MP controls the vast majority of the market. So definitely check out that video if you haven't already seen it today. I'll put it up on the end screen here in a second. It's really interesting. Again, I think this will be a good long-term stock, a little less risky than something like the payment processing app like TSNP, but I think it's something you should put on your radar. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for hitting the like button and the subscribe button. And if you want to check out 5 Hour Energy, again, there's a link down there. If you want to check out Webull, there's a link down there, or Patreon. If you want to see exactly what I'm buying and what I'm selling, you can get in on stocks like MP that have gone up dramatically. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in this video. Bye.